So my name's Natalie Wadley, and I am the CEO and co-founder of Changemaker 3D, and we provide low carbon 3D concrete printing to the UK infrastructure sector. So we have two sort of mantras in the company. One is to design out carbon, and the other is to print in productivity. We are based in the West Midlands, and we've been going through an investment readiness programme. So this was a really good opportunity, one, to get some ongoing commercial support through the accelerator, but most importantly to have a base in which we can print the first 3D toilet pod, which is a design that we've been working on for over 18 months with the support and funding initially from Transport for Wales. So the testing that we're carrying out at BCIMO is the printing and installation of the first 3D printed toilet pod for the rail industry, and we are testing several things within that. One, we've got a kicker for the bricks to determine whether the traditional damp proofing method is still required for a 3D printed wall. So we have one wall with and one wall without the bricks. That's going to give us a real world example of whether we can take out those steps in the construction process going forward. And the other things that we're testing include the interface with the 3D printing with traditional materials and traditional construction methods. That's something that we know going forward there's always going to be a requirement for those interfaces, whether it's base slabs, whether it's roofing, doors, all those details. And this is giving us a real opportunity, as you can see behind me, to actually build and construct in a way that blends the traditional methods with the 3D concrete printing. From a practical point of view, we've been given a location to build the pod, a permanent place for us to come and have ongoing review of the performance of the toilet pod as well, but also it's given us an offline facility where we can come and figure out all of those testing interfaces, all of those details that we need to learn in the real world.